This 2 minute 50 seconds video is going to change your life and perspective forever. Just give me 2 minutes and see the change happens.
Today we are going to talk about consistency. We have heard a lot of people talking about consistency. Consistency is the key. Consistency is do that. Successful consistency is there, right? But today I'm going to tell you what basically consistency means and how you can be consistent. If somebody asks me that today, what is the most powerful thing in life that if I do that thing and include that thing in my life and I'll become unstoppable, I would say consistency. How? Let's give you an example. If you're starting a YouTube channel and you decide 3 videos per week and you decide that every video is gonna be better than the last one, and your learning should be consistent, your reading should be consistent, your video making should be consistent, and your editing skill improvement should be consistent, you will become unstoppable. This is my guarantee to you. Your success might come late, like 6 months or 1 year, but there is no stopping you because you're consistent. You will become a great YouTuber at the end of the day. You'll become a great editor at the end of the day. You will know a lot of skills regarding editing and everything, and your reading skills will improve, the way you talk to people, your confidence, your knowledge. You'll become unstoppable. Consistency is basically sort of a steroid in your life. If you put consistency in your life, you will become unstoppable. 90% of the people on earth lack this skill. 90%. That's why they fail. That's why they are like, oh my god, we failed this thing. This is not for us. This is not for us. That skill failed because of that. No, you will not be like that. Tell yourself, it will happen for me, and I promise it will. This is the first step, by the way, of consistency. Consistency makes everything easier in the long run. And first, you might think that it's difficult, but in the long run, you will understand that consistency has made your life easier. Now the things you did consistently are becoming part of your habit, a muscle memory. And a muscle memory means it's easier for you. Everything is easier for you now. Now plan, execute, and watch the magic happens. If you have not subscribed so far, do subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and tell me what other videos you want to see on this channel. See you in the next video. Take care.